begging the world to bring my baby back home. I saw my baby on television. I saw she's alive. I heard before rumors that she was shot in the shoulder. I see she had an operation. She looks very terrified. She looks like she's in big pain. I can see that she's stable. And I didn't know if she's dead or alive until yesterday.
Allahu Akbar! للجند ناصر!
להורים שלי, לאחים שלי.
יואו.